home and you have a laptop, you have a MacBook, you have a tablet. In today's video, I'm going to show you 10 good ways for you to sit at the comfort of your home like this, or you are at the beach, you are anywhere you are, and you make money. When we're talking about making money, in this video, I'm not going to specify for you the amount of money you can earn with these 10 ways. But if you combine them like you do like 2 to 3, you are in position for you to make $100 per day. I know there are naysayers, there are some people who are going to say, no, Christine, this one cannot happen. $100, yeah. When you're beginning, you might not get your $100, but with time, when I'm talking about with time, it means you have to be persistent. It means you have to be focused. You have to be intentional. You have to put your schedule on the table and you know how much do I need today. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Thank you very much for coming to this mind-blowing video. This is your lady who says, I cannot hold a smartphone. I cannot be there. Even if you leave me like the way I am, I'm supposed to use my passion, my skills, my smartphone, and make sure I get money. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant, but I'm a lady who is here to present to you what I'm using, what the few people are using to make sure they earn money, and in this money they invest it to get passive income, to get investment, and many more others. Please allow me to say thank you to every engager. You guys, I love you so much. Special thanks to you who knows that you cannot skip my video, and to the people who share our videos, we love you. How are you doing? So without wasting your time, let's dive in to see the first method out of the 10. The first method, it is freelance writing. When we're talking about freelancing writing, it means when we talk about freelancing, you are going to do something at your own time, at your own schedule. So freelance writing involves a lot of things. If you're good at writing or even just decent with words, you can offer your skills on platforms. There are different platforms you can offer them, like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Write blogs. You can write blog posts. You can write description, that is metadata. You can write articles. You can write emails or even product descriptions. There was a question that I got from one of the live that we did, and someone called Jonathan, something like that. He asked about, he has been on these platforms, but he's getting confused. You guys, if you want to start a masterclass to know more on how to handle like these freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, please, you can register with the Market Show, then we'll take you through. But if you don't need, please, I want you to go to the platform of Fiverr and Upwork, sign up. After signing up, make sure that your profile is standing out. Then be ready to apply for gigs on that. You can also use some of the programs that can correct you as far as grammar is concerned. They have helped me so much, such that they should not discredit you because of grammar errors. We have programs like platforms like ChatGPT. It has helped me so much. If you see my blogs, my posts, they're always clean. They improve the way I do my work and the way I post my articles and posts. So that one is good. Don't ask me how much do you think I can earn on Upwork. I told you, be intentional and focused. You might earn $2, $5, depending on the gig you're going to get. But if you're intentional and you do your work in time, you'll get something very bigger and bigger with time. Rome was not built in one day. The second platform is YouTube channel. As you look at me and you're listening to me on YouTube channel, it would have come as the first, because that is the platform that I've gained from YouTube channel. To the extent that I've gone ahead, we have now three YouTube channels. So, and we feel we are going to get even up to 10 channels. Help us God. So if you're there and you want to make money with your laptop, I want you to start a YouTube channel. How do you start a YouTube channel? You can start it by using a laptop, webcam, or screen recording softwares. And if you have a laptop, you create videos around topics that you love. You guys, As you see this video, I'm doing it at the comfort of my living room. I even didn't go to prepare anything. You know why? Because I love what I'm doing. So the topics that you love, me, I love to make sure that to bless people with money, with materials. And the one way of blessing you is to teach you how to make money with your laptop. So when you make these videos, you can even go ahead and do tutorial videos, you do gaming videos, even you do reviews on gadgets, and even day life like a vlog. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, which is very easy. If you want to know how to reach 1,000 subscribers, put it in the comment section. And also 4,000 watch hours, it is also like drinking water. And most people are always complaining, I can't reach 4,000 watch hours. But when we teach you, you feel we are just giving you theories. So it is easier for you to reach this. Then immediately you monetize through AdSense earning. With AdSense earning, you can even just sleep and depend on it. Me, I depend on only AdSense earning. You can go ahead and even do sponsorship of products, and even you promote affiliate links with your YouTube. The third is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant, business need people who can help them manage tasks like emails, social media scheduling, and even research. You can become a virtual assistant and work from anywhere, including home at the comfort of your loved ones. Check out the sites for virtual assistants like Bilal, then Time. All these one, they offer you virtual assistant jobs. Even jobs boards like, you can even go to up to Indeed. Then the fourth one is sell digital products. Digital products are really on market. You create and sell digital items like ebooks, templates, or printables on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. So you can design products using free tools like Canva, and even you never worry about shipping or inventory management. Then web design is the third one, the fifth one. If you have basic knowledge with the designing the skills, you can create a website for small businesses, churches, or influencers. You use websites or platforms like Wix, WordPress, and durable.co for all other things. Even you can use an AI website builder to build fast and professional looking websites. The sixth is online tutoring. Online tutoring, if you're good at a subject like math, English, science, or even music, without forgetting all others, teach online with your laptop. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Chage, they are looking for tutors that can tutor their students. So let you earn from these platforms by teaching students all over the world. Affiliate marketing is the seventh, whereby they promote other people's products using your special affiliate links, and you can access these ones through Amazon, ClickBank, Digstore24. All these ones you can go and be an associate person and sign for it, start earning commission. Use your blog, YouTube, email list, or social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to share your links. Remote customer services is number 9. That is one way for you. You can use a laptop to earn money. Many companies now, they hire remote agents to handle calls, emails, and support tickets, all from home. So you can do this. What you need alone is a laptop and good communication skills. Look at Remote CEO, that platform. You are going to get work. There is also another one called We Work Remotely, even on Amazon Jobs. Graphic design is another platform that you can go for. Design logos, social media posts, flyers, and even more using like Canva and Adobe. You can also sell your own pre-made templates from these platforms and be creative. Online surveys and testing is another one. This is where I started from. So get paid to get feedback on websites and apps and products. Try platforms like user testing, respondents, and Swagback. I always tell you people, there is no platform that you see or app that comes without being tested. So you can be among the people who can test it using your laptop. It's not full-time income, however.